Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear listeners. It's me, Mr. Iba Zahid from University of Gujarat. I hope so that you people are fine. Today in this lecture, I'm sharing with you people some samples of paragraph writing. So this is the lecture number 7 and 8 of expository writing. I want to discuss with you people that this is just sample for your different types of paragraph. This is not compulsory to to cram this paragraph like let's suppose there is a narrative paragraph and written last summer I went on a road trip with my family. You just don't need to cram this paragraph because these paragraphs will not be added into your exam. These are the just samples. Basically the lecture number 7 and 8 is designed just for your practice. You people are responsible to just practice this paragraph, that how to write any given narrative paragraph or how to write any persuasive paragraph or any cause and effect paragraph, etc. And here these are written only the samples. These are the just samples for your write up. So let's start. So before starting this video, I have to clear this thing with you people, that the possibility of questions from lecture number 7 and 8 is that there will be any specific topic given to you for which you have to write down or write down any paragraph you have to provided any point, any topic, there will be possibility of benefits of internet, uses of internet. Otherwise there will be a possibility of only a single word internet, then and you are bounded to write down, let's suppose definition paragraph. You have to write down a definition paragraph on internet. You have to uh, write down any problem solution paragraph on smooth. So like these are the possibilities of questions for your exams. Anyhow, go through to this lecture. Basically I just I just wanted to say with you people that just relax, don't worry about the practice of paragraph writing. Just relax and learn how to write any paragraph and how to cope up with this topic, paragraph, etc. Anyhow, so let's start. um, Here are the some written samples of paragraph. Number one is narrative paragraph. So you can look here how to write a narrative paragraph. This is a sample. You can pause this video and go through to this sample of narrative paragraph. Narrative paragraph. Number two is the persuasive paragraph. If you are focusing, then I guess I have to read out this paragraph. Okay, narrative paragraph. Last summer I went on a road trip with my family to the Grand Canyon. As we drove through the desert, the landscape shifted from sandy dunes to rocky formations. When we finally arrived at the canyon, I was struck by its vastness and beauty. We spent the day hiking and taking in the breathtaking views. As the sun began to set, we found a spot to watch the stars come out. It was a truly unforgettable experience. Okay, have you seen how to write narrative paragraph? Next is the persuasive paragraph. Persuasive paragraph. In persuasive paragraph, you have to persuade your reader. School uniforms should be mandatory in all schools. Not only do they promote a sense of professionalism and respect for the educational environment, but they also reduce social conflicts and bullying based on clothing choices. Additionally, uniforms can help to improve student focus and discipline, as they are less concerned with fashion trends and more focused on their studies. By implementing school uniforms, we can create a more positive and productive learning environment. So basically, you people see that this is the persuasive paragraph, and by writing this persuasive paragraph, the writer persuading, convincing your reader to buy school uniform. He is persuading this thing that school uniforms are compulsory and why compulsory. So this is the way of pursuing in the form of paragraph. Next one is the comparative paragraph. Here in this paragraph, let's see comparative paragraph. Here you can see, please, it will be a 2 minute long video. Pause this video and see the comparative paragraph. Here the writer compared two different cities. Okay. Next one is the process paragraph. Process means that step by step discussing anything, how to make or who to bake, how to prepare anything. Or so this is the process paragraph. Next one is definition paragraph. Here the writer only discuss about the responsibility, providing the definition of responsibility. Okay, so here see the sample of definition paragraph. Next is the classification paragraph. He classified the different genres of the music and discussing about that. Cause and effect paragraph. Here is a sample about climate change. What are the causes of climate change, and then discuss the what is the effect of the climate change. Next is the problem solution paragraph. Okay, so these are the samples of paragraph. I hope so that you people got my opinion that what is the possibility of paragraph writing in paper's point of view from paper. So still, if you people have any query, you can ask from me in comment section. Inshallah Ta'ala, I will reply to all your comments and make this environment easiest and suitable for you people. So Inshallah Ta'ala, we will meet in a coming video. So till now, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed, stay tuned, and best of luck from Mr. Sahib.